Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's up? So what made you put this here?
Access to the subs.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So your motor can slide in with the port.
Yeah. That way I could get back there. I kind of put everything together and I realized that I didn't think about that option or that issue. So.
Okay.
But yeah.
Wow.
For Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s, they got about 11K hitting them.
11,000?
Yeah.
Fourth order. Yep.
Yep.
What is it tuned to?
43.
43 hertz.
Yep.
That's a good tuning. So you play down to what, 24, 26 hertz?
Yeah.
Down there? Okay. That is solid. Nice work, man.
Appreciate it, man.
What was your name?
Jody Holiday.
Cody. All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Nice.
Take me up and show me the balcony, looking over the Hollywood Valley. I make your balloon pop.
That's windy. What are you metering, man?
It was a 156.4, but now, I don't know, I might just try and see what it hits now.
What happened here?
That's just overtime. It was cracked. It was up here. The system did the rest of it.
Oh, yeah. That happens. Man.
Oh, yeah, nice to meet you.
Thanks for the demo.
Oh, yeah.
He wants to hear it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one.
your backup. Looking over the Hollywood Valley, I make a balloon pop. Pop blowing like how about you got an elevator in your house? Act like you don't wanna see how. You wanna drink and get caught like grandma. Young and Rick. Take me up and show me the balcony looking over the Hollywood Valley. I make a balloon pop. balcony looking over the Hollywood Valley. I make a balloon pop. take me up and show me the back, and they looking over the Hollywood Valley. I make your balloon pop.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Take me up and show me the back, and they looking over the Hollywood Valley. I make your balloon pop. Pop doors like some of you got an elevator in your house. Act like you don't wanna see how. Wanna drink and get good like grandma.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.